Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to make you very delicious Loquat Jam. They are very delicious, they look beautiful, they are from our tree, they grow very nice. So over here I peeled and cleaned and took the veins and the seeds. It's ready to go. Okay, now we have to see how many cups is loquats we have. So we're gonna, because it's pretty sweet it is, so we're not gonna put too much sugar. So this is 1 cup. This is kind of 2. If you smash it, it will be like 2. Let's fill it this way, don't be afraid. 3. This is 4. This is 5. About 5 to 6 cups it is. So we're gonna turn it on. And I'm not gonna put any water, anything. I'm just gonna keep it very low because it's already, it will leave its own juice. And even sugar, we're not gonna put too much. So this is about like 5 cups. I'm gonna put about 2.5 cups sugar, maybe even less. Let's see. I think 2 cups it will be pretty good because it's pretty sweet it is. Keep the lower to simmer it, and the sugar it's gonna get liquidy. So we're gonna keep it like this. I'm just gonna give 1 stir with wooden spoon. This loquat, it's very sweet and it's very juicy. So what I take the loquats and I cut it in half like this. There is plenty seeds in it, 3 to 4 seeds in it inside. So I'll take them out. There is a tail over here that I will peel it. This is how I peeled. And from the other side, we took the skin out. And inside there is membrane layer. Whatever comes out, you take it out and you put it. So this is the way you clean it and you put it, because when you cook you don't want the skin. So the fire, we're gonna put like a candle and we're gonna leave it, and it's gonna leave its own juice, and we're gonna come and check it later on. So for now I'm gonna keep it the way it is. I'm gonna take the cover for now to leave it, so this way the liquid it will come out from the loquats. All right, now the jam is almost ready. You can see it. So I was on a lower heat. On a lower heat, it's been cooking for 1 hour. So beginning about 5 minutes when I put the sugar, 5 minutes I covered it just to leave its own liquid, the fruit. And then I opened it 5 minutes later. It's almost hour. It's just cooking. Couple times I just came and I stir it. So now the liquid it's all absorbs. Very little left, which is this is the sugar. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put maybe maybe tablespoon, half a tablespoon lemon juice. I will squeeze lemon. Do not put with the butter lemon. The lemon really it's good. And then lemon zest. So I'm going to put in it so it will give good taste. All right. And I'm going to cook maybe another 5 to 10 minutes. And then it's going to be ready. And the lemon we have to put in it so it doesn't become it won't spoil it, it won't crystallize it. So the lemon, what it does, it keeps liquid the way it is. Otherwise, the sugar will crystallize. All right, we're gonna leave this again another 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, now the jam is done. I cooked another 10 minutes and I put just like few drop over here. Now it's getting cold, still it's warm, as long as it's not too runny. You see over here, all the liquid it absorbed, but still it's wet. This is the way it should be. And one thing too, when you make the jam, always put your lemon juice last minute, the last 10 minutes, because when you put the lemon juice earlier, the sugar, it will start to look, it caramelize and it will be darker the color so fast. it will look like burnt. So you always put that the last minute, and then fill the jar while it's hot, and then you can close it and let it cool, and you can enjoy it whenever, anytime you can enjoy. This jam you can eat with nice, delicious French feta cheese, Greek feta cheese, any kind of cheese. It will be very, very, very delicious. You just close it, and anytime you want, you can enjoy it. This is, I want to say, this is a loquat fruit. It is from our tree. So I hope you'll try this and you will enjoy it. And in case if you like it, if you make and you like it, please subscribe my channel. And I thank you very much. Bye-bye.